What if you took one breath outside Mars's atmosphere? It's a question that haunts every space enthusiast, a chilling thought experiment. But the reality is far more brutal, far more immediate than most science fiction dares to portray. Imagine stepping onto the Martian surface without protection. The air pressure there is less than 1% of Earth's. It's not just thin, it's practically a vacuum. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a fundamental assault on your very existence. On Earth, our bodies are perfectly balanced with the surrounding atmospheric pressure. We are in essence bags of fluid under pressure, held together by the air around us. Remove that external pressure and everything changes. The moment you are exposed to the Martian void, your body begins a terrifying transformation. The first thing you'd notice is the sudden, excruciating pain in your lungs as the air inside them expands violently. It would be like an explosion from within. Then, a phenomenon called ebullition would begin. Your blood, saliva, and the water in your tissues would start to boil, not because of heat, but because of the extreme lack of pressure. Water boils at a lower temperature in a vacuum. Your skin would swell, your eyes would bulge, and your body would balloon to twice its normal size. This isn't a slow process. It happens in mere seconds. Your capillaries would rupture, leading to widespread internal bleeding. While your body is undergoing this horrific expansion, another silent killer is at work: hypoxia. Without oxygen, your brain would lose consciousness within 10 to 15 seconds. You wouldn't even have time to fully comprehend the horror. This isn't a gentle fading away. It's a rapid, violent shutdown of every biological system. Your muscles would spasm uncontrollably, and your heart would continue to beat for a few minutes, pumping boiling blood through a rapidly deteriorating system. Scientists have studied these effects extensively, using vacuum chambers to understand the limits of human endurance. These experiments, often involving animals, confirm the brutal physics at play. It's why modern spacesuits are not just clothing, they are miniature spacecraft. These suits maintain a precise internal pressure, providing oxygen and regulating temperature. They are designed to be rigid enough to withstand the pressure differential, yet flexible enough for movement. Without this engineering marvel, even a brief exposure would be fatal. Without atmosphere, your body is fighting physics in every second. Every cell, every fluid, every breath is a testament to the delicate balance that Earth's atmosphere provides. Mars offers no such mercy. This is why every mission to Mars, every dream of human colonization, hinges on overcoming these fundamental physical laws. It's about creating artificial Earths, whether in a suit, a rover, or a habitat. The engineering is not just about comfort, it's about absolute survival. Even seconds outside a breathable atmosphere would radically change your biology, leaving irreversible damage. Mars is far more dangerous than any sci-fi show could ever truly convey. It's not just cold or barren, it's actively hostile to unprotected life. The dream of Mars is powerful, but the reality is a stark reminder of our fragility. It underscores the incredible privilege of living on a planet that cradles us, protecting us from the vacuum of space. On Mars, survival isn't science fiction. It's physics pushing against hope.